Well, parents, teachers and carers, we are now introducing to you the Humanities series, more well known as biology. Now this puzzle is called My Wonderful Body, and it breaks up the body into 4 layers. The puzzle is 4 layers and a base. I'll show you when we break it up what it consists of. But once again, we always have to use the principle of starting with the known and then we can proceed to the unknown. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to break up the body. As you can see, it starts, the first layer is the outside of the body, which the child is completely familiar with. Okay, let's start and break it down. Well, there you have it. Once the doll's complete skin is removed, this is what we see. The skeleton, the human skeleton. Okay, so the next question, the child will most probably be quite amazed, maybe shocked, maybe surprised by what he sees, because that's what his body looks like inside. Okay, so now next step is let us remove the entire skeleton and let's see what we come up with. Now just before I remove the rib cage, you can see the rib cage is cut in such a way that you can see the underlying organs. Okay, let's remove. Well, there you are, the whole skeleton is removed, and now the learner can see what is underneath the skeleton. What he or she now sees is the location of the brain, the mouth, the tongue, the heart and the lungs, the stomach and the liver, the intestines and the bladder. And again, he or she might be very shocked to realize that's what his body looks like inside, or they may be very surprised or very amazed, or it may really stimulate their interest. Okay, so let us proceed with taking away that layer as well to see what is underneath the organs. There you are. So once again, the learner can see, okay, what he saw the first time, the front of the skeleton. There's the back side as well, because all the organs are housed inside the skeleton. So let us remove that, and then later on we can actually rebuild the entire body. Let's do that. Well, there we go. There's the body without the skeleton. There's the body with no organs, just a space where the body used to be. Okay, so now let us reverse the entire procedure and build the puzzle again. Okay, first of all, the back of the skeleton. Next, the organs. There we go. This little boy has got all his organs back. Now let's complete, well, almost complete. Let's add the front of his skeleton again. There we go. His skeleton is intact again. Okay, so the last step would be to complete his body with his skin, so that the child can once again see, relate to what he knows. So that the learner can once again relate to what he knows. There we go. The little boy's complete body is intact again. Now, parents, teachers and carers, this may seem like very advanced information for a small child. When a child is school-going age, let's say 6 years, 7 years old, then he or she should be able to build a puzzle of about 100 pieces. Now this puzzle in its entirety is only 31 pieces. So any child of beginning school going age should be able to build it. Maybe once or twice they're going to, have to try again. But they should be able to master it very quickly. And the benefit is that they will know what goes on inside of their bodies. And they will have so much more knowledge. And that will benefit them and give them an advantage in front of their peers. Now the next puzzle following this is the one on the brain, My Wonderful Brain. So please keep looking out and watching for the videos on the brain, the heart and the lungs, etc.